Okay, we're in my garage. We're gonna do a supercharger build on this car. Yay! This is Benita. He's gonna help me today. He's also gonna get his oil cooler, which is currently in the car right here. Yeah, the car is already up on jacks. We're going to start tearing it apart. Basically today the goal is to install this bash bar because it actually has the mounting points for the heat exchangers, which include the intercooler and the piping for the, right over here. This one is the oil cooler and this one is for the supercharger fluid. I don't know if we're gonna get to installing the air oil separator, but for sure I want to get at least done the bash bar and figure out the mounting and routing for all of these pipes. We're gonna drop the bumper, the headlights, undo these AN fittings. Yeah, to pull the bumper off. Oh wait, no, maybe we don't. Oh no, we do, because the routing for these lines is like through here. So it actually, I think we might find it'll help to take those off, but we'll see. Should we pull the wheels off so we can access the clips?
Just unlock the steering rack so you can turn it out of the way.
Oh, good. Wait, this car doesn't have a key. This is the push button. Let's pull some stuff off. Actually, what is there to even remove on the bumper? It's like clips over here, all the clips on top, and all the 10 mils. Is that it? I'll go into the car and have a look, but I think it is just a bunch of like clips and stuff. Probably gotta undo this guy. Definitely gotta undo this guy, because that's how those are attached. It's just a little zip tie. Because the fasteners. No, it's not factory. It's definitely not factory. Okay, screw it. I'm gonna do a time lapse and then we're gonna start removing stuff. Okay, the bumper is removed. Now we're on to removing the oil cooler and the crash beam, so we can install that tube steel crash beam thing, and then heat exchangers. So this side's pretty simple to access the bolts. This side is not. We gotta get to like way back there, which involves first removing the oil cooler lines, possibly the washer fluid bottle, but that's where we're at now. Okay, oil cooler is out. We have it draining in the back over here. I shall show you. Pretty simple actually. It was a couple of bolts. This is the parent unit, so it's super simple to do. And then the AN lines are out. And we have our AN lines here that are gonna go onto the sandwich plate. Now we are removing the washer fluid bottle. Not removing it, more like just moving it out of the way to access the crash beam bolts back there. We have removed the old crash beam, as you guys saw. Now we're putting this new crash bar in. Same steps as installing it, just to get to the 12 mils. We had to relocate the washer fluid bottle on the other side, but that's no problem. And this is actually where we're going to be installing the oil cooler and supercharger coolant fluid. And that's pretty much all I had planned for tonight. Alright y'all, Manitha just stepped out. We have finished our work so far in the garage here. We were going to mount the oil cooler, run the lines up, but I'm not exactly sure how to install this, so I'll have to find the instructions. Anyway, we've been working for a while, so I just started to clean up, make sure I don't lose any of my tools. But yeah, quite a bit of progress here with the supercharger install. This has just been swapping basically just the bash bar and the oil cooler. Doesn't seem like a lot, but especially if anybody has been like working on a car, it short job can always take longer, and we were, you know, enjoying working together here, so it's all good. Good vibes only. We'll continue this supercharger build in another video. Hopefully I'll know how to install the heat exchangers, and I want to get the intercooler done next. Thanks for tuning in.